just walked out to the barn and Judd's up here. He's all wet, got dirt all over him. We had a big thunderstorm last night here in South Texas, but we're gonna be working on him, getting his hoofs cleaned up and posting that up on YouTube for y'all. But anyway, he's pretty happy this morning. He's licking his lips and he's nice and cool. It's about 59 degrees. So anyway, let's see where May's at. She's over here. She's just waiting for some food too. So anyway, it's nice and comfy here in South Texas. It's nice to have a little breeze. Anyway, y'all have a great day.